Meaning of defender.
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 Defender. The term defender generally refers to someone or something that protects or defends against an attack, threat, or danger. This could refer to a person who defends a position in a military context, or a sports player who defends their team's goal or territory. In cybersecurity, a defender is someone responsible for protecting computer networks and systems from hacking attacks. The overall goal of a defender is to prevent loss or harm, whether it be physical, digital, or otherwise. Essentially, a defender acts as a shield against potential harm, ensuring safety and security.